Hey everybody, today we're going to take a quick look at the Proxxon Rotary Tool attachment. It's actually what we're talking about here is just this $20 adapter. If you already have, well, pretty much any small lathe, but if you have a Proxxon lathe and the Proxxon IBS-E rotary tool, you can get this $20 adapter and drop it into your tool post. I've mostly used it in the past for like slotting screws I've made and things like that. I've had a little trouble spin grinding with it in the past, but I did want to try that again today. I did a couple things differently. I used a softer wheel, and I dressed it into my lathe with a diamond. All right, I don't think this requires a whole lot of explanation. We've got a cheap tap from Amazon. It doesn't have a lot of good threads on it. We need to relieve it back. So it actually came out pretty nice. Really happy with the grind. It has a nice finish. I think we probably produced as much wheel dust as anything else, but we got the job done, and it looks nice. I should add that was about 2 thou radial per pass, which did feel aggressive at times. As you can see, I did blow some chunks out of the back of the wheel. Obviously, with the angle I'm working, I could have stubbed that up quite a bit too and gotten a lot more rigidity there.